Yo, hello everyone. Are you tired of typing out long and tedious emails? Look no further than the ChatGPT extension for Gmail. With this handy tool, you can easily generate natural language email responses in seconds. In this video, we'll walk you through how to connect the ChatGPT extension to your Gmail account and start writing emails like a pro. So, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So guys, the first basic things that I will need you to have is simply a Gmail account and then a ChatGPT account. Now, how to get those two? Let me show you an example how to create first of all a Gmail account. You can just open a Cognito for you guys and then go to gmail.com and simply through here you can click on create an account for my personal use and then simply here put your let me just translate the page real quick for you. Here we go. First name, last name, username, and then password twice. Let's try this real quick. So lolly lope here, for example, lolly, and here a password. Here we can just type whatever password we'd like, as you can see. Then click on next. Here you have to put a phone number, which is optional. Here a recovery address, which is also optional. And here simply the month, day, and the year, and then the gender. So we can just type, for example, something like that and something around that, and then click on next. Here we go all the way down, and then I agree. This is the first thing, which is creating our Google account, which is the Gmail, where we are going to send the emails. So here it is open for us. Now let's go to OpenAI, and here guys all you gotta do is go to actually ChatGPT. So here it goes, view ChatGPT research, as you can see, and here I think it will be around here. Try on ChatGPT Plus, I think from here, if I'm not mistaken. Log in or sign up, continue with Google, and then use the Gmail that you have created. So this is the first thing that you can do. Now, let's just fill these informations. Continue. We can create an account due to our terms of use. Yeah, I made a mistake here. I should have changed the date. Let's go all the way back to, I don't know, somewhere here, and then continue. Here, you have to put a phone number to verify your number, and then everything will be good. So for me, guys, I will simply show you in my actual account of ChatGPT. So we'll open it right quick and I will be right back to you guys. So here it is guys, it is in front of you. And now all I'm going to do is, for example, in case I wanted to create an email using ChatGPT. So in general, let's try this out in front of you guys and you will see how it's gonna work. First of all, we have to determine which kind of emails are you willing guys to write. For example, let's try to write an email that has, for example, a job description or something like that. I don't know. Let's look for email examples here. Emails type for jobs. Here, subject name. Write a proper job application. Okay, we can use that as well. So, write me email for a job application. Here we go. Now let's wait a little bit and it will start writing the email for us. So let's give it some time. It can take a little bit of time because, as you can see, I'm not really using the premium version. You can actually get the premium version, guys, for only $20 per month. You can have available when demand is so high, faster response speed, and priority access to new features. In case you had the normal this subscription as mine, you will only have these kind of late answers. So it is good actually to have the premium version. I'm considering buying it actually because it is really useful, especially in school. I'm using it too much, guys. As you can see, I'm using it like too much. Like I have so much conversations here, but yeah. Now overall, here it is the subject. dear hire manager, etc. Here you just have to change the position name, company name, with the things that you'd like to change it with the name of the company and the field that you are working on. Here some information about you that you have to fill by yourself, or you can just ask it to fill for you, and you just have to tell him what kind of skills you have and etc. And he will do everything for you. So it is completely automatic. And now, some of you will be okay, all right. It is giving us the email, but it is not the one who's gonna send it. I am the one who's gonna send it. So how can we make all this process automatically? The ChatGPT makes the email for us, and the ChatGPT sends it for us. Now, this process is pretty simple, guys. All you have to do is, as I showed you before, you can go here. So this is the actual account that I have created in Gmail. So go to a website that's called Zapier. Here, all you have to do is click on Start Free with Google and connect your accounts. As simple as that. Now they will show you some applications. So let me just answer this, IT 1249, and here let's choose the application that you are going to use. So first Gmail, and here let's search for chat, and here it is, ChatGPT. Finish setup. And now connect this app, which is Gmail, which we have chosen, with ChatGPT. Now select a trigger. So for example, here a new email, in here conversation. So, or we can do the reverse. So we can click here, ChatGPT, and here Gmail. Okay. So now select an action. So here we can just create draft, send email, and here it is no triggers available. Alright, so as you can see, it is not available to actually do the reverse, but you got the idea. So let's try it out once more from the reverse. Here we can do, for example, new email, and here conversation. As simple as that. You can click here to try it. And first of all, you have to connect your email. So sign in, choose your Gmail account, make sure that it is connected. So authorize it. It is connected. Here trigger, for example, inbox all labels, chats. Let's change it actually to sent, and continue. This trigger. We cannot find an email. Create a new email in your account and test your trigger again. Test trigger. Let's try another trigger. For example, we can try import, spam, draft. Okay, let's try drafts. Continue. And here I'm going to create actually a draft. So how to do that? Compose and do the subject, something like that, and then I will just close it. So draft has been saved. Now test trigger. Let's do this once more. Testing. Okay, it has been done. The draft has been saved, and it is correctly working for us. Now the same thing goes for ChatGPT. You have to go and connect your account. So sign in, connect your account that you have created, and do the same trigger that you have chosen. And just after that, once you do the trigger in your Gmail, which you have created an email, the ChatGPT will open a conversation so you can exactly do the same conversation that you did in ChatGPT here. So write me an email for a job application. You can do it inside of your email directly. And ChatGPT will just copy paste it inside of your email and you can directly send it. It is as simple as that, guys. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.